Nearly 1 in 5 Minnesota COVID test is now coming back positive. The state's 7-day positivity rate is above 19% as new cases soar. Many school staff members are infected, and there are not enough teachers for in-person classes in several districts. That's why Osseo and Prior Lake Savage area schools are switching to distance learning this week. Hospitals are also feeling a staffing crunch, with hundreds out sick or waiting for test results. As Kate Raditz reports, it's a familiar story rippling across virtually every industry.
Minnesota Department of Health Commissioner Jan Malcolm said that people could expect to see disruptions in multiple services as the more contagious Omicron variant continues to spread across Minnesota.
We're certainly talking with employers and businesses to be planning accordingly for significant percentages of the workforce to be out at any one time.
School districts are trying to preserve in-person learning as they experience statewide staffing challenges and students getting sick or being exposed.
What happens when you've got a third of or 2/3 of your class homesick? You can do teaching and learning with the other third that's there, but you've got to catch up everybody else who isn't there.
For the restaurant business, the winter months after the holidays are already challenging in Minnesota.
I think this is the hardest time that we've actually faced.
Restaurant owner Tim Niver says he could lose a restaurant soon.
The amount of people that are out for absences, plus the timing of the winter, plus the lack of the refunding of the revitalization funds, those things compound into a difficult scenario.
Metro Transit had 10% of its bus and light rail operators out sick on Tuesday.
But the biggest thing for customers is to continue to monitor rider alerts, information ahead of time to let folks know which trips are not operating so that they're able to make other arrangements or, on cold days, step back inside because it's going to be another 10 or 15 minutes.
Kate Raditz, WCCO 4 News.
Waste Management also announced around 5,000 households will have a delay in trash pickup after an outbreak among drivers.